So, but we are very hardened with our strength. We have confidence on our strength, which is basically human resources, people. We are very thankful to Ya's family, the support of the family and the clan. We know that they are very private people, and we know that they don't know what hit them when Yas accepted the candidacy. We know she went through a very bloody process with her family to accept the fate of being part of the campaign in whatever way. And in fact, when we were still looking for, scrounging around for funds for her collaterals, the family members were the first ones to dig out of their pocket to produce the much needed collaterals during the first few weeks, especially on December and January. Of course, our sisters in Filipina and WAND, who are the active core of campaigners, serving as her stand-in, serving as her close-in. Let me make special mention of Annie, who was her close-in in the Zamboanga Authority, and of course, Louie has already said that she was the stand-in in the Baguio La Union Pangasinan Authority. Kaya kayo mga sisters, gusto nyo mag-close-in, sabihin nyo lang sa akin. I-assign ko kayo saan nyo gusto? Sa Maguindanao? Sabihin nyo lang sa akin, i-assign ko kayo kahit saan nyo gusto. Kasama dyan yung maghahabol kayo ng helicopter, maghahabol kayo ng mga sasakyan dahil mabilis talaga ang mga convoy, lalo na pag nandiyan ang mga hagad na nag-escort sa inyo. Diba, Denden? Diba? Of course, our sisters in the women's movement and the RH advocates, umalis na yung mga taga-isa, pero sila Ma'am Oy, sila Mien, si Dr. Florence was here a while ago, and the Peace Movement, the Civil Society advocates from Change Politics Movement, from Labor, Dr. Ms. Flor Kabatingan, also of CCW. Of course, also the Muslim Ummah, who discovered Ahiyas in their midst. We are very, very happy that you have supported Yas, and we know that the MSU community, for example, MANA, and the other Muslim groups have really, really put behind their support, and we are really amazed with the different Muslim communities in diaspora, all over the country, kung saan ka pupunta, kahit sa sulok-sulok ng port area sa Manila, punahan niya na hindi niya alam, marami pala doon. No? We really discovered them, and they, without even being asked, voluntarily gave their support and continue to campaign in whatever way for Yas. So what can we expect for the next few weeks of the campaign? Of course, we will still go through the different sorties, but most of all, we are trying to reach more people through media. So on the next, particularly in April, we will really focus on our, yung tawag ng mga political strategies namin, our air war. So media, mag-guesting siya sa ANC, bigyan nyo na yung mga pangalan nyo, kung gusto nyo batiin siya, batiin kayo, bigyan nyo na yung pangalan nyo. Of course, during E-Day, during Election Day on May 10, we hope you will help us also watch her vote, so to protect the votes that will go to her. So yun po. Again, let me thank you for coming tonight, and please excuse us if we give you more work to do. The kits that you actually received would mean more work for you. If you have contacts in the community cable channels, please give them the CDs and the audios that we gave you, and at least I think you have 10 leaflets and several pocket calendars. If you can give them away to friends and colleagues, we will be very thankful. So thank you very much, and we are looking forward to victory on May 10.